nice bunnies. One of my favorite animals too.
Are bunnies your favorites?
Horses, sheep, doggies.
Doggies?
Doggies.
Oh, okay. Duckies? What else?
Not.
No, I didn't understand. Oh, donkeys.
No.
We saw a donkey. Did you see the donkey?
There was no doggy.
Oh, I thought there was a donkey.
No.
Oh.
There was
I only really...
Dottie.
Which ones?
Dottie.
Oh, Dottie?
No.
What?
That was a deer.
Oh. Did we see it inside?
Yeah.
When? After the cows?
No.
I remember seeing horses
Yeah.
and cows
And what else?
and the little calves, the little baby
And
cows,
what else?
and pigs.
And what else?
And I thought I saw, little sheep?
Yeah, what? No, that's not it.
No.
What? Try and say I know animals, and then I'll tell you if you did right.
Okay. What else did we see there? We didn't see ducks. We didn't see birds. There was a little bird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
I want to know the word that I didn't know you were saying. Will you say it again?
Dottie.
What does it look like?
Is the red lumps on its back?
Big lumps on his back. Was he in a big space?
Mm-mm.
No.
His hair is red or small.
Maybe your mama can tell me. I don't remember.
The doggies.
Not doggies. I thought donkey. What else had a big...
That's it.
The donkey?
Yeah.
I said donkey. Remember I said donkey before and you didn't think we'd seen a donkey.
Yes, that's understand what you say.
Oh, I guess we were both confused. The donkey. That was it. Now we know. Wow, it's a lot of cool animals. Should I turn this off? No?
There were doggies, bunnies,
Bunnies. Oh yeah, I forgot about the bunnies.
pigs.
Yeah, pigs.
What else? Hey, we made our own app.
Yeah.
We made one up.
We did?
We can make one up.
We can make up an animal? Okay.
Like daddies.
Yeah.
We saw dots. We saw. Let me see. We saw. Birdies.
Yeah, there were some
With
birdies.
the big cows.
Yeah. Flying
And,
around the cows.
There was one sheep who was trying to eat my sweater.
You're right. And one was trying to eat your hat. One of the cows.
Yeah.
That was funny. All right, I'm going to end this video. Want to say anything else?
Let's see the video now.
Okay, let's.